Troy Rosario turned down Blackwater's offer of a 5-year contract worth 900,000 pesos a month. Rosario is scheduled to meet with TNT officials soon including coach Chot Reyes. Chot Reyes susubukang pilitin ulit si Troy Rosario na bumalik sa TNT matapos niya itong itapon sa Blackwater noong 2022. Matatandaan na naging isyu ang pag-trade kay Rosario ng TNT kapalit ni Brandon Ganuelas roster ng Blackwater. Nagawang pigilan ni Chot Reyes si Troy Rosario na tumalon papuntang Japan B-League matapos bigyan ng malaking offer ng TNT para lang huwag umalis sa koponan. Napigilan naman si Troy pero ang sinukli sa kanya ni MVP ay ang paglipat sa kanya sa farm team noon na Blackwater Bossing. Rosario will also talk to SMC Sports Director Al Francis Chua as soon as he returns to the Philippines from a business trip abroad. According to people close to him, the 6'7" big man is most interested in joining Ginebra, which is said to be his favorite team growing up. But aside from the Gin Kings, also in hot pursuit of the former Gilas Pilipinas mainstay is its sister team San Miguel. Both teams under the care of businessman, sportsman Ramon S. Ang are in need of a steady big man. Between the two, however, it is Ginebra that is in dire need of a frontliner following the injury to Isaac Go and the trade of former star slotman Christian Standardinger. And Converge might also make an offer for Troy. A source from Converge bared that if Rosario is finally free from contract obligations, the team will try to lure him to join a squad now laden with young big men in Justin Arana, Gio Ambohot and most likely rookie top pick Justin Baltazar. Converge is on a major build-up and they will get the right pieces that can make the team an instant title contender. Di sila makakuha ng fair trade sa iba, so whenever there is an opportunity to get players legally, gagawin nila. And si Troy ang isang easy target for them, source.